Imagine a vegetable so versatile and nutritious that it can transform your health and tantalize your taste buds. Meet the sweet potato. Often relegated to a sugary side dish, sweet potatoes are far more than just a holiday staple. This vibrant root vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients that boost eyesight, aid digestion, bolster immunity, and even support heart health. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional goldmine, offering natural sweetness and satisfaction, along with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, asserts Lisa Young, a registered dietitian nutritionist, author of Finally Full, Finally Slim, and adjunct professor of nutrition at New York University. When enjoyed in moderation and prepared simply, they can be a delightful and healthful addition to nearly any diet. But what exactly are sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes are starchy root vegetables available in a kaleidoscope of colors, with orange being the most prevalent, followed by purple, white, and yellow. Despite sharing a name with white potatoes, they belong to entirely different plant families. Sweet potatoes are part of the morning glory family, whereas white potatoes belong to the nightshade family, clarifies Amy Goodson, a Texas-based registered dietitian and founder of the Sports Nutrition Playbook. This distinction also translates to a different nutritional profile. For example, sweet potatoes boast higher levels of certain key nutrients and have a lower glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar compared to white potatoes. This makes them superior in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, notes Young. From a culinary perspective, sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile, shining in both sweet and savory dishes. You can bake them whole, cube them for roasting, mash them with herbs, blend them into smoothies, or slice them into fries. Although they are typically in season during fall and winter, sweet potatoes are conveniently available year-round in most grocery stores. But how many calories are in a sweet potato? Surprisingly, sweet potatoes are lower in calories than many assume. A small sweet potato, about 100 grams, contains just 80 calories, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. That same serving also provides over 4 grams of fiber, which is excellent for digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and promoting a feeling of fullness. The combination of low calories and high fiber makes sweet potatoes an ideal food for healthy weight management, says Young, provided they are prepared in a health-conscious manner. Rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes also offer sustained energy for daily activities or workouts, adds Goodson. They are particularly abundant in beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. In fact, a single medium sweet potato supplies over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, says Young. This vital nutrient supports eye health, immune function, and healthy skin, adds Goodson. Sweet potatoes also deliver a wealth of other nutrients, including manganese, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin C, minerals and vitamins that contribute to immunity, bone health, brain development, and collagen production. They are especially